just before the elections are to take place. But I was talking about those pictures there, and there on your television screens, we just put them on, of the inside pictures, the meeting between the Prime Minister and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. First on Republic, as always, we continue to get you all the political live updates there as we put forth those pictures of the inside details and the meeting between Yogi Adityanath and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now, Yogi Adityanath currently en route JP Nadda's residence, where Madhurima currently is reporting live from. Well, Madhurima, 1.5 hour long meeting. It's a long meeting, and he has just reached the JP Nadda, the BJP National President JP Nadda's residence. Over to you.
Well, Amita, as we know that there are multiple changes that could happen in the UP cadre, both in on the position of the cabinet and even the organizational changes, because as we know, the BJP, following the debacle in the West Bengal polls, cannot afford to have any loss incurred in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And as we know, Uttar Pradesh's politics influences the politics of entire country. And as we know that one who wins Uttar Pradesh wins the entire country, and this could even have impact on 2024. Which is why the BJP is playing its card early and safe. That is why 8 months ahead of assembly polls, the BJP, even after the West Bengal polls just concluded, Amita, and we can see that how the BJP is trying to, pace up and accelerate their entire political process, where they are ready to make even the last minute changes to make sure that whatever portfolio they pit in the UP assembly polls is the perfect one, and that they play their best cards. And at this time, which is why we also saw the induction of Mr. Jitin Prasada, and they are making all these decisions. They've started mulling, being prudent so early, because they know that Uttar Pradesh is a very large state. The kind of ticket distribution, the kind of allocation of responsibility is going to be a mammoth task, following which these meetings have already begun, and it is being said by our sources that we will see the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh every fortnight in the national capital, so as to make decisions, as we know that the entire responsibility of Uttar Pradesh has been given to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and it will be upon him to select the candidates according to what their performance has been in the past 5 years. That has been made very categoric, very clear by the Chief Minister, that he will be giving tickets or any sort of responsibility to any personnel in the UP cadre according to how they have performed in the last 5 years in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and how well they have managed to expedite their duties, which is why these meetings, one after another, being held. The final one here, political one, being held with JP Nadda. As we know, JP Nadda, Amit Shah, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. These three are the politician top rung of the Bharatiya Janata Party and are responsible to chalk out the political map for the Bharatiya Janata Party. And that is what is being done here in the national capital. Past 2 days have been very aggressively charged up politically wise, and one after another. We yesterday even saw Mr. Jitin Prasada going and making a courtesy visit to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath at the UP Sadan as well. So everybody is meeting each other. Deliberations are happening. Every decision has to be taken for the best of Uttar Pradesh, because now the point is that the stakes are high and all decisions have to be taken so that Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, gets a second term. This was the first time when he became the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and now that he is the Chief Minister candidate, all cards are being, placed very safely on the table. BJP being prudent, far-sighted, taking all decisions beforehand, so that when the time comes, they can use their, pawns in the specific directions they want to win this political battle of Uttar Pradesh, which is very crucial. It sends the maximum number of people to the parliament, which is why the way the BJP is making all these early decisions shows that how important is the state of Uttar Pradesh. The Chief Minister landing himself just a day after the induction of Jitin Prasada shows that the BJP is in aggressive mode, one after another decisions being taken. We'll have to wait and watch, Amita, that what was the outcome out of the meetings that were held yesterday with Amit Shah, Union Home Minister of our country, following by a very super crucial meeting with the Prime Minister of India, following by the National President of JP Nadda that is underway, that what would be the juice that is churned out of all these political meetings, and how is this going to impact the political face of state of Uttar Pradesh, Amita? We'll have to wait and watch. In another 45 minutes, this meeting might end, because 1:30 is the time when Yogi Adityanath will go and meet the president of the country. So we'll wait and watch and see what kind of turns does the political atmosphere in Uttar Pradesh takes following these crucial meetings which have happened in the national capital and induction of Jitin Prasad in the last 2 days. Amita.